Can yous lend me your ears for a toty wee sec, till I tell yous a story o' mine? It isna ower long, and I promise to skip all the parts that were there to fill time. But I feel that as Christmas and Hogmanay's o'er and we've all just went back to being sad, I should share with yous all my thoughts on a year that I honestly shouldnae hae had. At the start of the year, as days were gae dark and the shadows were all I could see, I thought to mysel, as mony I stood, that life didnae haud mair for me. I gied up, surrendered, let go of the rope and forgot what it is that I was. There's no braw wee way to describe how I felt, but there's millions of people like us. Done feeling as darkness and numbness and guilt sympathetic to apathy's cause. It's fechting with black dogs you're wanting to win, lying down to be caught in its jaws. But hold on, I'm here, I'm alive just about, and I dinna intend to be deed. I'll fecht my way through the same way as you, and they battle each day with my heid. Now I'm no religious, but just on the off chance the wee man is biding up there, here's a wee plea fae me for all those like us, a depressed wee atheist's prayer. Mate, gies us a haun up out of this mess, gies us a toty head start, gies us a second to catch our breath and regain control of our heart. Ken, I'd love it if I could relax, sleep and smile, tak care of mysel and eat. I dinna want much, for I'm easily pleased, and my heart is quite content to just beat. So for abdy listening wha kens how I feel and bides in the darkness with me, wi' 1 year ahint us, we look to the next, and dinna ken all that we see. But you, just like me, survived all the things that life tried to tak and turn bad. I pray that I'll see yous all next Hogmanay. Another year that we shouldnae hae had. Lang meer limerick, lads.